Making money through AI-generated images involves a combination of creativity, strategic thinking, and understanding how to leverage these images for various purposes. Here's a general outline of steps you could take. Generate high-quality images. Use AI tools like Canva, Deep Dream Generator, or Runway ML to create unique and visually appealing images. These tools can help you experiment with different styles, effects, and combinations to produce interesting artwork. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing a variety of AI-generated images. This portfolio can be displayed on your website, social media platforms, or dedicated art-sharing websites. Identify your audience. Determine who might be interested in your AI-generated images. This could include digital artists, graphic designers, content creators, businesses, and individuals looking for unique visuals. Market your work. Utilize social media platforms, online art communities, and platforms like Instagram, Behance, or DeviantArt to showcase your creations. Engage with your audience and use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Sell digital downloads. Consider selling high-resolution digital versions of your AI-generated images on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. This allows buyers to use the images for their projects. Print-on-demand services. Partner with print-on-demand services that allow customers to order physical products featuring your AI-generated designs, such as posters, art prints, phone cases, and more. Collaborate and license. Collaborate with other artists, designers, or brands to create custom AI-generated artwork for their projects. You can also license your work for specific uses, allowing others to pay for the right to use your images. Offer customization. Provide the option for customers to request personalized AI-generated images based on their preferences. This could be a unique selling point for your services. Attend art fairs and exhibitions. Participate in local art fairs, exhibitions, and conventions to showcase and sell your AI-generated artwork in a physical setting. Continuous learning and innovation. Stay updated on the latest AI techniques and trends in the art world. Continuously experiment with new styles and approaches to keep your work fresh and appealing. Protect your work. Consider copywriting your AI-generated images to protect your intellectual property.